Today in math, students will be able to multiply a two-digit number by a two-digit number using an array. Now, in order for you to do that, you need to take 3 steps to find the product when multiplying a two-digit number by a two-digit number. The first step is to decompose. What is it, everybody? Okay, awesome, decompose. So when you decompose a number, you're going to take the standard form of a number and break it down into bigger numbers according to its place value. So a quick example is 32 times 21. If I decompose 32, it's going to be 30 plus 2. If I decompose or break down 21, it's 20 plus 1. Okay, so the first step is to decompose. The second step, you're going to use an array, which is a tool to help you multiply. Here's an example of an array that you can use to help you multiply larger numbers. So I'm going to take the decomposed numbers and put them into my array. So then I multiply 30 times 20. When I multiply 30 times 20, I get 600. Then the next step is to multiply 20 times 2. When I multiply 20 times 2, I get 40. Then I'm going to go down to the next one, 30 times 1, which is equal to 30. Then the last step, which is 2 times 1, which is equal to 2. Now, after I have all of my information and I found the product of all my multiplication sentences, then I'm going to find the product or the answer by adding them up. So 600 plus 40 plus 30 plus 2, which is equal to 672. Okay, all right, so we said to find the product, you have to add all of them up, and remember that the product is the answer in a multiplication sentence. So we found out that 32 times 21 is equal to 732. Okay, say that with me on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. 32 times 21 is equal to 732. Okay, now we're going to do together. Take a look at 24 times 17. First, you need to decompose. So, how are you going to decompose 24 and 17? Turn and tell a neighbor real quickly. Okay, if you said 24 decomposes to 24, or 20 plus 4, absolutely. And 17 decomposes to 10 plus 7. Then step number 3 is to put it into my array. So I'm going to do 10 times 20, which is equal to 200. 10 times 4, which is equal to what? 40. Then 20 times 7, which is equal to 140. And then the last one, 7 times 4, which is equal to 28. Add up all the products, and you will find out that the answer is, go ahead and pause.